Hi guys, today I'm going to show you our new jetty at Lewisham, which is pretty good. A new boat ramp. So we're going to have a look at it, and this is it. Check that out. This is a lot better than what it's ever been. Got all the things here for the safety equipment and everything. This is great. They've actually come out of a nice smooth out here. That's pretty good. Lights and stuff. Right, I'm going to drop the camera down when I get out here. I'm going to see what it looks like now underneath the water, because it's out further. We'll get an idea. Okay. pier number 1, which is the original one, which is over there. Now this is pier number 2, which was never here. So let's have a look. We'll have a little look over here and just around the car park first. It's not even a car park, it's just they put rocks here so no one can actually park out here. So I don't suppose I want anybody to park here, but it's nearly nice and cleaned up compared to what it used to be. Waiting a few more boulders, a lot of gravel, solid. Before, some of these boulders used to be a little iffy. Sat on and they wriggle. I think that wouldn't be too bad, yeah? So it's a bit of a fishing spot for the anglers who want a land base, and a good place to put boats in. There we go. So this is where we used to be able to go to around about here, and they pushed the rocks out.